In this video, we're going to modify the plugin template that we created in the last video. We're going to modify the save.dxf that's on your desktop, and we're going to compile the resources QRC file into a Python file. After we run the batch file, we will end up with a resources.py file. That's what's going to happen. So let's do that. So first of all, let's go into exercise files, go under 5, creating plugins, and under batch, there's a make resources.bat. Let's copy that, and then we'll paste it into the save.dxf folder. Okay, now let's go into the save.dxf folder. Remember, this was created by using the plugin builder, and now we have the make resources.bat. Let's look at that file. Just right click and go edit. I'm using Notepad, just plain old Notepad to look at this. And so we have echo off so it doesn't spit out to the DOS window. And we're setting 3 batch files. The first one is the OSGeo4 bat environment bat. The other one is Qt5, that's for doing the interface dialog, and the Python 3 environment bat. This is where I've found them on my desktop. Your environments may be set somewhere else. I know these 3 files are there because I'm just going to minimize this. And I'm going to go to my C drive and look under the OSGeo4W64. This is where my QGIS has been installed. So for example, if I look under apps, I should see QGIS, Qt5, and Python 37. This is the version of Python for the version of QGIS I'm using. So I'm using Python 3 at least, QGIS, and Qt5. Now, if you look at your batch file, it's looking under the bin. So let's go up a directory. If you look under OSGeo4W64 bin, there are those 3 batch files. The O4W, so let's jump down to O. There it is, the environment bat. There should be a Qt one as well. And there it is, Qt5 environment bat. And finally, there's a PY3, which is Python 3 bat. There we go. So now that I've located all 3 of those batch files, this will set up the environment so that I can compile this. When we first created this plugin using the plugin builder, we were given a warning saying that the resources QRC could not be compiled. That's because we didn't have all the environment variables set up. But with this simple batch file, we're able to set up all those environment variables, and then we could actually compile it using that PyRCC5 compiler to convert the QRC file into a PY file. Okay, so we've copied that make resources bat into the save.dxf. The next step is to use the command line to run it. So we go cmd, command prompt, and we'll go cd desktop, which means change directory to the desktop, and then cd change directory, save_dxf. And I'm just going to list what's in there, dir. You can see that the make resources.bat file is there. So all we have to do is run that. So we just type make_resources.bat. And it's run. It's actually run that PyRCC5, and it's created the .py file. So now if we go into that folder, you'll see that the resources.py file is there. If I look at that in Notepad, you can see that it's been compiled, and there's data in here. And also, if you look at the date time, it was just built. It's the newest file in there. So now that I've got everything ready, I've got a resources.py, I can now install this save.dxf plugin into QGIS. And we'll look at that at the next video.